Hello YouTube, this is Yellowland 426 doing a 2021 EDC pocket dump by popular demand and request. First off is my keys for the house and one vehicle, my billfold, my very trusty and reliable Taurus PT 24/7 G2C 9mm firearm, my VersaCarry hip pistol holster, ink pens, a notepad, my Actel A1C smartphone, my watch, and my TRS 5-in-1 tactical knife with a flashlight, a glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, and fire starter ferro rod. And it's got your regular blade, plus it's got your threaded on there, a little jimping on there for your fingers. Well, I like that. Linear lock, extremely sharp. You barely touch the blade and she'll cut you open pretty quick. But pretty much the same thing I had last year, except for my cell phone. But that's my 2021 EDC pocket dump. Hopefully people like the video and enjoy it. And I'll catch you on the flip side. Yellowland 426 signing off. Bye for now.